So let's click on Downloader, and I am going to allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on my device, as it needs these permissions. And then here's a quick start guide we can read through. And then in the URL here, we're going to type in a quick little shortcut. Instead of, you can type in ledbytheunknown.com, or you can type in 546835. This little shortcut will link us to the Led by the Unknown website, which will have all these great applications for you to feel free to download onto your Fire Stick. After this 5-second redirect, once the page is loaded, click on your 3-line button again on your remote and add page to the favorites, and then we don't have to type in and wait for the 5 seconds anymore. So once we're here on the main screen of the Led by the Unknown website, we can come down to downloads, and this is the web page that will have all these available apps for your Fire Stick. So if you come down here, got some details, we got some videos for you to watch. So guys, this is going to be just a quick demo on what we can download. So let's try here under the movies, TV shows. We can try an application called Pluto TV.